Good morning, ladies. I just wanted to give you an update on some of the awesome gift with purchases that are out there now. Lancome does have two gifts with purchase open right now at Nordstroms. As you can see, we've got a choice of a lift gift with purchase or a repair, and this is $109 value with any $45 Lancome purchase. Also, the online gift is now over, and check out this glitter bag, you guys, and the Absolute line. And if you guys know anything about Lancome, their Absolute is their premium luxury, the best skincare possible. And to get this free with a $75 purchase at Saks, there's some information that shows you. So just about everything in here as far as the skincare is Absolute. And this is Lancome's premium skincare line. And we have also the gift with purchase at Bloomingdales. And these are some of the things that are available there. And that's when you spend $125, you will get the 20-piece gift. So that's like buying one Lancome product, ladies, for each of these and getting the rest free. And also, I found here that this is at Nordstroms also. They're featured gift with purchases. And ladies, all you have to do is go online at your favorite department stores. Here is a Clinique gift with purchase, and there's all of these. These are the cleansers, the eye makeup remover, a lot of Clinique's best products free with a $29 purchase, and that says it is online only. And here's another picture of the Lancome gift. And there's all kind of different ones. The blog post today, ladies, check it out at kimsbeautybizz.com. Gives you all the information on all of these. Thank you so much, you guys. And don't forget, subscribe to the newsletter list and get free makeup masterclass on how all the gift with purchases work and the cosmetic counters. But check out the blog. You guys, see you later. Take care.